Welcome to apartment N3 in Historic Sheridan Court. We are on the penthouse level, and so it is a walkout. This particular tower, and if you ever come to learn about Sheridan, it was Fort Wayne's first ever large apartment building, and they built it into 8 little towers and connected them together. This particular tower only has 3 total units in it. It is adamantly 1000% non-smoking, even recreational people. And it's wonderful. It's way up here on the top of the tower on the penthouse level. It has a huge, massive living room. And today is the middle of March 2020. We're in the middle of the zombie apocalypse, and it's snowing, because that's just what makes it even better. Anyway, that's the view of the courtyard right there. Large bedroom. It's got to be 15 by 18, 15 by 20. This is, now it's an extra closet in the living room, but at one time it was a pull-down Murphy bed. And if you look really close, see the holes in the floor there? There was a Murphy bed strapped there, and it would fold down, and that was the guest bedroom. Before my time, they took them out, and it's now just a great closet. And no, I have zero idea why they would have put glass paneled doors that would have looked in and seen the back of a Murphy bed. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But large living room. Just when we first came in, and now again, we're in the hallway. This is a nice coat closet. This is the original place for the hard-lined phones, and that's where you actually did the dial and things. This is what I think they ought to be nowadays. Good place for keys and those. However, lots of tenants set them up as little shrines, and so you have Buddha holding coins and Hello Kitty dolls and He-Man action figures. That was the door we came in. Oh, and this wall, when you first walk in, is a fantastic focal point for, pictures, paintings, those kind of things. Also in the hall, it's a broom closet kind of below, and then just a little bit of storage up top. Down this way, you've got a pantry for all your linens and your towels and things right here off the bathroom. Bathroom has the original flooring. That's that penny tile. Sheridan, when it was first built, was not built with showers. So this one does have a shower. We've been slowly trying to convert everything over. That sink looks like it's been there forever, but it came off of the shelf there at Lowe's. In the bedroom, good sized bedroom. In between, you see those 2 plugs right there? In between those 2 plugs is a queen-sized bed spot. And then it is a large living room. It's long and skinny, with good light. No matter how goofy the floor plan, and trust me, some floor plans in Sheridan are absolutely goofy. Strauss built it so there was always opposite side windows. Original light fixture from 1925. We just rewire them and put them right back up. Off the bedroom, let's see here. Oh, the scenic view of the parking lot and the dumpsters. And it's snowing. Middle of April, in the middle of a zombie apocalypse. In the bedroom, you got kind of a terrible closet, if I remember correctly. Oh yeah, that's a terrible closet. Look at that, it's even a tiny little triangle. But remember, out in the living room, you have a nice big closet. This also has a ceiling fan. And then we're back around. This is a big unit, and it's laid out in a nice, wide, spacious way. So, here we go. This is the dinette. And again, has great windows. You open these, you open the ones in the living room. Original chandelier to the building. Very cool. And then you've got little china cabinets built in with a couple little ledges. You come in to a small gas stove, an apartment-sized gas stove, and then lots of, good amount of storage in the kitchen. Fridge in the center, and up there, that's where you put all that stuff that you got when you graduated school and your aunt thought you needed a fondue pot. It just goes up there. Popcorn makers and things. A little bit of a workspace. The sink, we had it refinished and then it failed, and it's the middle of April right now in 2020. And my sink refinishing guy is not wanting to come out in the virus situation. So unfortunately, that does need to be refinished. When you look at this years in the future, it'll be refinished. How brilliant were they in 1925? It's a radiator, so it's a steam system here, underneath a cast metal sink So what happens is the sink turns warm in the winter and it just heats up all the way. Again, window right over your sink, view back down to the lovely trash cans. This has so much light. It's so wide open. Off the back, this is one of the better things we've ever built. This is a new staircase. It goes all the way down so you can wander down to the bottom. The construction on this, the architect drew it up, it was great. And you can't see it right now, but right through there, so in that sky is where the fireworks are for like Three Rivers and 4th of July and those kind of things. That's the old incinerator. They used to burn their trash in Sheridan. All right, so this has been N3 in Sheridan. If you've been stalking us long, you know that in Sheridan Court, we pay your heat, we pay your hot water, we pay your stove, we pay. You're going to have a water sewer charge, and you're also going to have electric for just lights and plugs. So whatever the price is, at about 50 bucks, and that's probably about where you're going to be. This is a long, big unit. I mean, you're seeing how long it takes me to walk across it. Up here on the penthouse level, this is a really, really neat space. Thank you for watching with me.